Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for watching another of my videos. I really appreciate it. What I bring you today here is the pattern Pepakura and Armor Smith patterns to actually make an Ironman Mark 50 MK50 helmet. This helmet is going to be based off the Infinity War movie. I printed it. This is very bad. My printer is actually in a bad state. I haven't been able to fix it, so I just giving you a quick view of what I printed. This is the worst page, and I've been trying to print it. I failed a lot of times trying to print it, so it's not the best quality, but as you can see, this has some marks that are actually gonna be used. Let me try to bring it here so it's better. Actually, there it has some marks where it's supposed to go with the other side. Registration marks, that's what are called. And then you see little numbers there. I don't know if you can actually see it. Let me try to get it there. Alright, right there. That's the angles you're supposed to cut it. And I actually use this. And I actually was able to do this in Armor Smith. Pepakura is very good, and I've really been using it and learning from it. But Armor Smith has another touch that I'm really happy with. Registration marks, angles, and a lot of certain stuff that Armor Smith does a lot better. Look, like the angles here are so much better because it lets you know where you're supposed to be able to cut it. Here it's no angles, so that means it's just a straight cut and everything else. And that's why I got it. Here I'm having a hard time though because it actually makes some stuff cut here then in Pepakura is not there, but it's fixable. You just cut here and then put tape on, that's it. And then I'm sad because my printer is not working, and I don't know if to reprint it or just go for it. I wasted a lot of time there instead of trying to get the printer to go. But these are the pattern. Well, these are the pattern for the foam helmet, and we're gonna start it tonight. I gotta cut this whole thing. See how it goes. We're gonna use some barge. I'm sorry, guys. I got a couple projects here. All-purpose cement. That's what we're gonna use. And then, as you can see, it's gonna be a long project. I'm actually very excited. So that's gonna be a couple weeks to work with, and then we're gonna start something else. So let me know what you guys think. I'm just gonna give you a quick update about it, and you know, new project. Hopefully it goes well. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys watching this. Have a great day. Take care. Peace.